Here's a video on factoring using the difference of two squareds method. What you do with two terms is look to see if they are perfect squares with a subtraction. And this is our rule. If we have a term that is squared minus another term that is squared, you can factor it as a minus b and times a plus b. So let's go on to do some examples. This first example, x squared minus 81. I can rewrite this 81 as a perfect squared. 9 times 9 is 81. So the a in our rule is x, so we split up the x's. And then our b is the 9, so 9 and 9. And I just put a minus and plus. And it doesn't matter, you can put the plus first and then the minus. Our second example is 9y squared minus 25. We want to rewrite both terms as perfects. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, y times y is y squared. And then 25 can be written as 5 times 5, which is 25. So the a term is your 3y, so you split that up as 3y and 3y. And then your b is your 5, and then just go minus plus. And that's the difference of two squareds. Students sometimes forget about 1 as being a perfect. 1 times 1 is 1. 49 can be written as 7 times 7. P can be written squared as p times p. So your a term is now split up as 1 and 1. And your b term is 7p. So split up 7p, 7p, minus plus. Now this next example is a little more difficult because it first has a GCF. The greatest common factor with 12 and 27 that you can divide out is 3. So I'm going to take that out first. So when I divide this by 3 and this by 3, what am I left with? So I take 12 and divide it by 3, and I'm left with 4. So I have 4x squared. And then 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now we're going to go inside of the parentheses and factor that using the difference of two squareds. So I can rewrite that parentheses as 2x squared, and then 9 can be written as 3 times 3. Students sometimes forget that 3 in front, so don't forget that. There is your 3. Now I can split up this 2x squared, and then the 3. 3 and 3. And don't forget, minus plus or plus minus. Our last example of difference of two squareds, I have 2x minus 1. This already is a perfect, so that's going to be your a. But I can rewrite this 25 as 5 squared. This will be your b. So you would have 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, and then minus 5 and plus 5.